guys, welcome back. I'm Anna, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these simple hearts. They're really easy and simple to make, so let's get started. Okay, so first, to make this simple heart is to fold it diagonally. Okay, after you fold it diagonally, you fold it the other diagonally. So now since you have these two folds, you fold it a square. Okay, and then after that you go another rectangle. Okay, then after that is where the fun part begins. You get one corner and fold it to the middle. After that, you turn it around so that the opposite side of the one you fold goes over to the point. And then once the folded part is to your hands, like to the bottom of you, not to the farther away part, you take this part and you should see the crease here, and you just fold it along that crease to the top. Now you do the same to the other side. Now it should look something like this. So now you flip it over and you see like these two kitty ears, right? So now you you turn it upside down so that the kitty ears are facing you, and you fold them to like here where the pocket is, well, kinda. And you do the same to the other side. And now, you see right here, you see that point? You fold this side, and into this goes to that like point over there, and you do the same to the other side. Okay, and now yours should look something like this. And if you flip it over, it's a perfect heart. Hope you guys enjoyed making these easy hearts. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bells to get our new videos real fast and quick. Bye bye.